In this video we will make this door animation easily. So let's learn. First let's add plane and rotate on x-axis around 90 degree. Now go to the front view, then edit mode and add one loop cut in the middle. Now bevel this loop cut with 0.001 width and delete face. After this, add 8 loop cuts on both sides and scale on z-axis like me. Now select these edge and move like this. Also these middle ones. Now add one loop cut like this and press SX0 to make it flat and bevel with the same width and delete face. Same for the other side as well. Now select these 4 edges and do the same bevel process. Now let's add 2 more loop cut on both sides and make them flat by pressing SX0. Now select both of them and bevel like this, and then select only these faces and separate them by pressing P and choose selection. Now select this one and go to the edit mode and add loop cut like this. Now change to face select mode and select all faces. Then press I 2 times for inserting faces. Now go to material tab and add new material and assign with it. After this, press Ctrl I and extrude little bit. Then change their position around here. Now select this one and separate these edges by duplicating and press right click to cancel the movement and press P and choose selection. After this, make face to both of them and extrude like this. Now let's add solidify modifier with 0.2 mm thickness and bevel modifier with amount of 0.005 mm and 5 segments, and change geometry outer to arc. Add same bevel modifier to this one. Now add material for this one and also glass shader for this one. Now select both of these and select all in edit mode and duplicate on y-axis and rotate in z-axis around 180 degree. Now apply all modifier. After this, join them into single object. Now go to edit mode and select any side of door like this and separate. Now you can see that we have 2 doors. Now we will learn to close and open the door. So select any door and add copy rotation constraint to it and target the second one. And click only on x-axis like this. Now move the target door. So as you can see, it's working properly. And after all this, add limit location to the target object and click on minimum and maximum x value and change amount like this. In my case, minimum value needs to be changed. Now change to render view and click on scene world and scene lights and change to cycles. Now change material settings for objects like me. You can also add outer layer for this door like this. And bevel corners, then add bevel modifier in it. And that's how you can make this simple as possible sci-fi door animation in Blender. Hope you have learned something new. Stay tuned and subscribe for more.